Is Nio Stock a good buy? This video is for educational purpose only. Do your own research prior to the investment.
Welcome to Swastik Investments. Today we're going to learn about the Nio stock. For that, we are going to go to the Nio website. Nio offers these vehicle models: EC6, ES8, and ES6. The Nio services are Nio House, Nio Power, and Nio Service. If you want to learn more about Nio, you may explore this website. So, to know about the news updates, we are going to go to Investor Relations. Let's scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see a section about new releases. January 3rd, 2021. Nio Inc. provides December 4th quarter and full year 2020 delivery update.
Company achieved new records for monthly and quarterly deliveries. Annual delivery reached 43,728 vehicles in 2020. Nio delivered 7,007 vehicles in December 2020, increasing by 121% year over year. Nio delivered 17,353 vehicles in the 3 months ended December 2020, increasing by 111% year over year. Nio delivered 43,728 vehicles in 2020 in total, increasing by 112% year over year. Cumulative deliveries of ES8, ES6 and EC6 as of December 31st, 2020 reached 75,641. The innovative battery as a service model has shown popularity among our users since its launch. With the 100 kilowatt battery pack offered as an option, the penetration of battery as a service has reached over 40% among new orders in December. At the fourth Neo Day, scheduled on January 9th, 2021, we will unveil our new sedan model and share the latest development of our autonomous driving and other core technologies. This shows that the deliveries increased very good in 2020, and also they have plans to unveil new sedan model and new autonomous technologies on January 9th, 2021, which is a good news for Nio stock. Now let's look at the technicalities of this particular stock. Now I'm in tradingview.com. I'm looking for Nio stock. Now let's look at the technicals here. In last 1 month, okay, the trend is more about buying the stock. It recommends buying the stock. And last 1 week, again, it talks about buying the stock. And last 1 day, it recommends buying the stock. So overall, the trend is looking buying the stock. And if you go further here in terms of the performance of the stock, right? So last 1 week it increased by 3.68%, and 1 month an increase of 7.45%, 3 months an increase of 123.99%, 6 months an increase of 419.62%, year on year, year to date basis an increase of 1112%, and last 1 year there is an increase of 1172.58%. Almost 10 times the stock has grown in last 1 year, which is very good. Now the technical, as I explained here, the technical shows that it's a buy recommendation, right? So this is about Neo technicals, and let's deep dive into technicals further. Now if you look at this stock, the stock has grown all the way from $4, $3, and now it has reached about almost around $50. Now the trend line that I have drawn here, you see I have drawn one trend line with by connecting couple of points, and that shows the trend is with a solid support point of $31.21, and another trend line that I have drawn which shows a trend to go up to $50. Now there is a wedge forming over here, and let me expand this further. The wedge shows that there is a potential growth of $20 over here. There is another wedge over here, a potential rise of $15, and another wedge over here, a potential rise of $9. So from the current point onwards, there is a potential growth of the stock from current level of 48.74 to at least $9 to maximum of $20. So which is a good sign. And now if you look at the RSI and stochastic indicators, they are trending upwards, which means that there is a potential growth of this stock, and also the volume is rising here, which shows that there is a high chances of the Nio stock to go up. And the Nio deliveries that we have seen today, right? This is a potential catalyst for stock to go up in next couple of days, and I expect the stock to grow at least by $10 to $20 in next couple of weeks. So that's about Neo stock. Now let's look into the uh, fundamentals of Neo stock, how this goes. So I go to Google and search for Neo stock. Now if you look at this, the Neo fundamental shows that the revenues has grown up over each quarter and has reached more than 4 billion revenues, and the net income has initially it was negative more than 2 billion. Now it has improved to less than $1 billion. So the income also growing up, at the same time revenues also growing up, so which is a good sign. And if you look at cash on hand year on year basis by Q3 2020, they have a net cash is around 19.33 billion, which is good. So the fundamentals are looking good, the revenues are increasing, the net income is increasing, the cash on hand is also increasing, so this is looking good. So the trend is your friend, and Neo is going to go up. This is a good investment to get in, and as I always suggest, invest at when the stock reaches this trend line, so that's a good starting point to invest. And now, if you look at the symbols over here, the green outline for each of these candles represents that it's still a good time to get into this one. And now let's look at further, right? So I will go to 3 months window here, and I have money miner indicator which shows that it's a time to get into the Neo stock. And the last 5 days if I look at, again it shows that there was a buy opportunity that came in around when it reached around $42, right? So that's a good sign. Now let's look at 1 day. Within 1 day there was a buy opportunity that has come in last trading day about 48.72 dollars. Still I see there is a since the stock is having about 50% growth potential in near future, okay, buying at current levels of 48.39 or current price of 48.74 is still a good opportunity to get in. Hope this helps everyone to understand more about Neostock and its fundamentals, technicals, and the news about Neo deliveries.
We really hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for sure to get more notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.